Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and we have some fun products to share with you today. Are you ready? Get set. This is one of those items that I kind of was like, wait, what? Why is that not already on my website? How could I exist in this world and not have this on my website? I don't know. So it's about time I got it on my website. Are you ready? Get set. It is rounded corner rectangles stitched. How could I not have that on my website already? It's like a mind-blowing thing. I don't understand, but boom, now we finally do. Guess what? The first 24 hours it's on the website, it's on flash sale, so get it now. The next one we have, and I know when I show it to you like this, it doesn't look like anything, so I'm gonna grab a sample to show you. It is a die that says, let's celebrate your birthday. This is a card front die. What does that mean? That means, see this blue die here? You're using, when you die cut this, you're not using the cutouts, you're using the trash, something that you would normally throw in the trash. You're getting all those awesome words that you could use separately, but you're gonna take the rectangle that it die cuts out and boom. So it die cuts out, let's celebrate, and you'll notice there's no little extra pieces you have to glue back in. You don't glue back in the little inside of the E, or you don't glue back in the little dot of the I, or the inside of the D. It's all done for you. It's like one massive piece and that's it. In fact, I think I have one here to show you. Look at this. Besides the banner, which is separate, look at that. Can you see it? Oh, you can't see it. Hang on. There we go. That's all one piece. That black piece is all one piece, and you're seeing all those letters. Isn't that fantastic? I know, I love it. Boom, there it is. You're gonna love it. Card front fits perfectly on an A2 size card base. Also, we're releasing more card panels. I know you guys all love the card panels for the gatefold card. You guys go crazy on these, and we're having so much fun. We love horizontal words. They're so much different than anything else that's out there. This will go perfect on an A2 regular card, but it's also designed to work on our gatefold card, and I have samples to show you. Last but not least, we have some new foil paper. Are you ready for this? Let's jump in. 6 by 6 in size. We have this gorgeous, gorgeous pink. 4 of those. Then we have this gorgeous green. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. It's like this total mirror paper. 4 of those. Then we have a darker green, like a spearmint. The other one's more like a kiwi. And then we have black, because you know what? You can never have too much shiny stuff. Now, speaking of black, look at this. I kind of tore it apart so I could show you. Oh, this one's a little different. I thought it was. But look at this. Isn't that pretty? And I know it's hard to see on camera. But it says, let's celebrate your birthday. And there's shaker card behind it. Look how pretty that is. On camera, it doesn't look like much. I'm sorry. But you know what? In real life, it looks amazing. Here we go. Here's another one. Let's celebrate your birthday. I know you're thinking there's a whole bunch of pieces. There's not. It's so easy. Here's another one. So you're going to die cut this twice and make 2 different cards. Look at that. The exact opposite on each one. So easy peasy, right? So fun. I love it. Now here's another one. Let's celebrate your birthday. Look at that. Oh, I love that rectangle set that we have. That is the tilted rectangle die. Wishing you a seriously super duper birthday. That is so cute. That's the lots of birthday to stamp set. Oh, this is the sorry on a mini slimline. Mini slimline. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how pretty that is. I'm here for you during this difficult time. That's the Here For You stamp set. Let's look at more birthday. I grabbed that sorry too soon. Here we go. Let's celebrate your birthday. Boom. Blow out the candles, eat all the cake, open the presents, and celebrate. Let's celebrate. And here's another one. This is Let's Celebrate Your Birthday using pattern paper. Love it. Now let's move on to this one. Oh, let's look at our saris. So here we go on a regular A2 card base. Here it is on a mini slimline. Let's see some others. Here it is on the actual gatefold card. So here we go, gatefold. Dun, 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 dun. Sick in bed, Steffi, get well soon. She's on our website. Look at that, poor thing. She's not feeling well. Here it is. This one says, sorry, I was a little salty. And it has the sorry, and it has the little sad faces right next to it. Open it up, and a sandcastle. Look how cute that is. I love it. I love it. Now, rounded rectangles. How in the world, you guys? How in the world have these not been on my website already? You can make a card out of it. You could decorate an A2 card base. Look at that. Or here we go. You could go crazy and do 100 different A2 A2 rounded rectangle stitched. We need our stitch. Perfect for the inside as well of all your cards. Club members, I know you know, I'm preaching to the choir, right? You get 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order you place, as long as you're a club member. If you're not in the club, it's okay. I can fix that for you. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. That's going to explain the different clubs we have. We have a stamp club, we have a die hard club, we have a fold it club, that's a shaped card club, and we have our card kit club that comes in this awesome pink, big pink box up here, this one. Go check it out, watch the video, and that'll give you an idea of which club you want to join. Our clubs start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month, made in the United States. Wait, for $13.99 a month, I get a brand new stamp set each month made in the USA, which normally goes for way more than $13.99. That includes shipping, by the way. That's it. That's all included, $13.99. You might have to pay local sales tax. Other than that, $13.99 out the door. But you get a full stamp set, 4x6. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now, then you get 15% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Even flash sale items, you get the extra discount. Then you're getting club points on every single item that you purchase on our website and your club items. Then you're getting freebies every couple months because we just like to spoil you. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate for our website. Card Kit Club, you get $25 gift certificate to our website. What are you waiting for? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and pick which one you want to be in because they're all pretty amazing. You can also go gold or diamond. Go check that out. Stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.